Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to my channel, Good Pocket Change. My name is Sunny, and today I want to share with you guys how I use Pinterest to grow traffic to my blog. I've been using Pinterest for a couple of months now, and the majority of my traffic that's coming to my blog, goodpocketchange.com, has been coming from Pinterest. And I think it's really cool because it's free traffic, and I don't have to be spending on Google ads or Facebook ads. And I'd like to share with you how I use it to grow traffic to my blog. So let's get started. Alright, so here we are in Pinterest. Here's my Pinterest page. One of the things I noticed when I first started on Pinterest was I was saying to myself, how do I get more followers, or how do I get more people to come to my blog when I post my pins linking to my blog? So being that I didn't have much followers, what I did was I started looking for other Pinterest pages that were similar to mine's. For example, let's see, mine's is all about making money online, saving money, side hustle ideas. Here's some of my boards. Have money saving tips, money making ideas, make money blogging. So what I did was, let's say, type in a search, money making ideas. And I would try to find users that were similar to mine's, or let's filter it by people. Okay, so usually the people that show up at the top are, I guess, the ones that rank the highest for this keyword. So I would go to, let's say, someone like her. Let's go to her page, and then I would just look through her boards. Because one of the things you want to do starting out is you want to try to join as much group boards as you can. And the way the group boards work are, there are a bunch of users that post into the board and they repost the pins that are in that board. And one of the ways to find out which is a group board, for example, if you see here, this right here where it has different pictures here, like you'll notice like these are her individual boards where they don't have like a picture of multiple users. And then here you have one with different users. So once you click onto this, that's how you'll know this is a group board. You see it has 30 members in it. And what you want to do is, usually in the bio they'll have like a email, or they'll tell you how to join the board. And all you do is really send them like an email or a request basically saying, hey, I'd like to join this board. And once they accept you, you can now post your pins onto this group board. And as you can see, this board has 50,000 followers. So just starting out, if you're trying to get your pins out there and you don't have that much followers, one of the things I would recommend first is join a lot of Pinterest group boards. So let me see if I could find one. I'm already following this one. This is one of her group boards. Let me try doing it by board. So let's see, boards. Okay, see if we can find some group boards this way, and I'll show you guys how I send out emails to join the boards. See any group boards? See if this one has a group board. Go to this user. Okay, so if we look at this page seems to be about personal finance, making money from home. So it's right up my alleys. You want to find users and boards that are similar to what your niche is. So I'll just click on to this person's boards, and let's see. Okay, it looks like this is a group board right here. It's make money at home. I can see they have like the pictures, so that lets me know it's a group board. And let's see how we can join this group board. So here it says make money at home group board. It has 1,000 followers. Okay, so I want to now try to join this group board so I can now start posting my pins on here, and so that people can see it and repost it and get more traffic to my blog. So normally what they'll do on the group boards, they'll give you instructions on how to join. Like this one, it says this board is all about making money from home, unlimited number of pins allowed, but please stay on topic and be sure to pin others' content. Vertical pins only, of course. If you'd like to contribute, follow me and email your Pinterest alias and related email address to caroline@moneydoneright.com. Okay, so normally what they want you to do is follow them first and then send the email. So the person you would follow is normally the first person at the top where it says here owner. So go ahead and follow. And then what I do is I copy down the email address that they have here. And then I go to my email. And what the email that I sent out to them is very basic. It'll be something like, hi, I'd like to join your Pinterest group. And then I put like the group board's name. And then I put a link to my direct Pinterest page along with my email address. So that's what we're going to do with this one. Just close. No. Let's see. Copy his email. Alright, and then I'll put the subject Pinterest group board request, just something simple. Then I'll copy this message. Alright, and see what was his name. I try to make it personal, so I'll like either if I can get his name, just open this up in a Alright, so I can't find his name, so we'll just go with, hi, I'd like to join your Pinterest group board, and then we'll put the name of the group board, which is Make Money at Home. Copy this. Okay. Alright, so basically simple. Link to your Pinterest page along with your email address and the name of the board that you want to join, and then just hit send. And that's basically it. And so you want to go around looking for other group boards similar to your niche and doing the same thing, looking to see if they have an email address. Some of them will let you just send them a direct message through Pinterest with your email address and your Pinterest page. Others, most of them, I noticed they'll have like an email address and you'll contact them and request to be joined into their group board. And once they accept you, you'll get like a notification on your Pinterest page saying that you're now a member of this group board. And what you want to do is you want to try to join as many of these group boards as you can. And once you start once you're in these group boards, you'll start posting your pins in these different group boards. But you want to make sure you follow the rules of each board because you don't want to get kicked out of it, or you don't want your pins deleted from that board. And then once you start doing that, with Pinterest, I noticed that the more active I was on it, the more followers or repins I would get. So being that it's tough to be on here all the time, I would suggest getting a pin scheduling tool, something like BoardBoosters, which is what I use, which basically schedules your pins. So you could be a member of this group board and create an account with BoardBooster and schedule your pins to be posted into this board or into other different boards or even your own boards at different times throughout the day, which helps tremendously because then it allows you to be active on here without actually having to be on it and increase traffic to your blog, get more followers. So that's basically what I've been doing, those two things, just joining the group boards, and then I created a BoardBooster account, scheduling my pins to be posted into these group boards. Another thing which is cool with BoardBooster, let me go into there here. BoardBooster pin scheduling tool. They give you an amount of like for example, I'm on a $25 a month plan, which basically, let me see if I can pull it up, how many repins that leads to. Okay. So $25 a month gets you 2,500 pins a month. You could start out with just $5 a month, which will get you 500 pins, $10 per month, which is 1,000 pins per month, and so on and so on. So yeah, once you create a BoardBooster account and you begin scheduling your pins, what you want to do then in BoardBooster is start joining tribes. And tribes are pretty much similar to the group boards on Pinterest, except that they're just within BoardBooster. So let me pull up some of the tribes that I'm a part of here. So here's all the tribes that I'm a part of, and each tribe has like their own rules as far as what you could post onto their tribe. And so let me just open up this one right here. So this is a business startup for entrepreneurs tribe, and it's a bunch of members that post their pins into the tribe, and BoardBooster automatically, basically, you could schedule BoardBooster to post your pins into the tribe, and at the same time, other members that are part of this tribe that have a BoardBooster account will repost your pins. So it's a pretty cool way to get your pins out there, and they usually have like rules on what can be posted. Like for example, this one says you can upload 12 pins. Approval is not required. You publish 3 tribe pins per day, and the tribe will publish 3 of yours. This tribe is open to the public. New members can apply without invitation. The tribe approves them by voting. So it's a pretty cool way to, if you don't want to go onto Pinterest and start joining group boards, you can create a BoardBooster account and start following tribes and get your pins reposted that way. And so you have to, once you join a tribe, you have to make sure you follow their rules. Like for example, this tribe requires that you share 3 pins per day. And so you can choose more than 3, but you don't want to go anything below that, or else then you'll get voted out of the tribe. So I have it just at what they want, 3 pins per day. And I am basically saying to them that I will be taking 3 of the pins that any of the members post onto here, and it'll automatically be published to my board, which I have a board on my Pinterest page called Make Money Blogging. So BoardBooster will basically take 3 pins per day from this tribe and will automatically post them in my Make Money Blogging board. And the same thing with the other members. BoardBooster will take some of your pins and post them into different boards that are on their page. So, and most of the tribes, you could join without invitation, or some you have to get invited to, or you could even create your own tribe with your own rules and have members apply to get into that tribe. So if you want to look for tribes, you just basically click join tribe, and they have a list of tribes you could join. You just want to find stuff that relate to what your blog is about or what your niche is, and join them from there. And I've been doing this for like maybe I'd say like two months now, and I have, let me see, when I started out I had almost next to no followers. Now I got about, let's see, around 700. And I'm noticing the majority of the traffic that I'm getting to my blog is coming from Pinterest. So those 2 things I would recommend if you're looking to grow your Pinterest page and at the same time increase traffic to your blog. What I would suggest is 1, start joining a lot of group boards, and 2, sign up with like a pin scheduling tool, something like BoardBooster. They also have, I believe, Tailwind, which is, I believe, similar. So you want to sign up to one of those. I'll put a link down in the description to BoardBooster, which is what I'm a part of. And once you join those, once you join a pin scheduling tool, then what you want to do is start joining the tribes that they have, which is similar to the group boards in that it'll basically get your pins out there. And yeah, so that's basically what I did to grow traffic to my blog and to increase my Pinterest followers. So I hope this info was helpful to you, and I hope it helps you to increase traffic to your blog as well. If you found the information helpful, like, subscribe, comment, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.